Hi everybody. Small children, young ones use different kinds of pencils. Some use a cylindrical pencils. The body of pencil is so smooth and so roundish and children can't use it properly and they lack grip. It's so slippery to the young tender fingers. And some use a hexagonal body pencils. And unfortunately, some children use mechanical pencils, the click kind of pencils. We don't recommend that to the young ones. The best pencil for a very young children is a triangle pencil. Look at this pencil. The body of a pencil is of three angles. Triangle, three angles. Because we hold the pencil or writing instrument, we're using three fingers, thumb, index and middle fingers. One of the angles is for one of the fingers. Three angles, three fingers. So one of the angles is for the middle finger. Look at this. This perfectly sits. One of the angles is for the thumb and the last angle is for the index finger. Leaving an inch, using these three fingers with which you are applying an equal amount of pressure on the body of a writing instrument will make a child to write very comfortably. Even after 10-15 minutes of continuous writing, they don't feel stressed. The fingers are not hurt. So it's very convenient for a child. I recommend this.